A term you'll often hear is whole dollars and half dollars. Why are they significant and how can you use these to help your trading? Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen, back with another YouTube video. We're going to break down some technicals as well as psychological. We're going to get a little bit into the brain in this video. So always be sure to subscribe to our videos to be notified right away and ring that bell. I really want you to hit the alert bell because we do a lot of live videos as well. I want you to be notified ASAP. You can jump on that live video with your phone and see the stocks we're looking at that day. So today we're going to talk about whole number and half dollar. So whole dollar, half dollar, and this also comes into play with like quarter dollar increments as well. So it may seem a little weird, but I'm gonna kind of back this up with some marketing and pricing information. But the idea behind this whole dollar, half dollar theory is as stocks break even numbers, and I'm gonna mostly in this video, for the sake of brevity, I'm gonna talk about going long, but everything I talk about works going short when stocks break down as well. So you can basically reverse everything I said, but I'm just going to talk about going long to keep this video as, at a decent time frame. So what you will see over and over and over again is a $1 stock that is spiked to $1.50, it's spiked to $1.70, maybe it's gradually uptrending. You'll see average volume, you'll see building volume, you'll see the price action growing, but when that stock breaks $2, and now this isn't always, but this is a very consistently repeating rule of thumb. When that stock breaks that key level of an even number of $2, you will see volume come in very quickly, and you will almost always, now not always, but almost always see a quick spike in the price. Now, the reason I'm telling you about this is you need to be prepared for these levels. So if you're watching this stock and it's gradually uptrending and it's approaching that $1.50 level, that $2 level, that $2.50 or that $3 level, or even $10, $20, $50, $100. These are all levels that the brain keys on. How do I know this? It comes from the world of marketing. I mean, how many times have you seen something on sale for 99 cents or $9.99 or $12,997? All of these weird prices. There's a reason. They're not doing that to be wacky or weird. The marketers know that you're more likely to buy that $12,997 used car than you are to buy that $13,000 used car. So it's a key level, and when people see these stocks pushing through those levels, they think, back to my $2 stock, they think 250's coming. They think 3's coming, and they want to get in. So focus on these key levels. Doesn't necessarily mean you base your entries off of those, but I love to use it as an exit strategy. So let's go back to my example. You're in this stock, it's creeping up on 2. You be ready on that exit button, that sell button, because when it breaks 2, there's a good chance it's hitting 220, 225 real quick. You take those gains and you're out, and you don't care about what the stock does the rest of the day. So I think it's a really simple thing, but it is something you should focus on. Focus on those whole dollars and half dollars. And again, always be sure to ring that bell and be prepared for our next video. And drop a question below. We love to answer every question in these videos. This question actually came from YouTube. So drop that question below, and I look forward to answering them in the next video. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.